Corridor by the Waterfalls. Strolling down the corridor towards the waterfalls, you try to forget the world around you. From time to time, all you feel is nothing. When the heart is calm and at peace, happiness is felt. You feel hypnotized like nothing really matters as the anxiety flows away, leaving feelings of numbness. The water from the waterfalls flows over the rocks and down the sides into a stream. It will soon get hot as the sun bears down. You begin to feel better as the mist sprays moisture on your face. Watching waterfalls helps to wash away your fears and tears of yesterday. The aroma in the air from the waterfall feels like you are surrounded by the ocean and sea. You start losing your taste as a cool breeze makes you feel free. A pathway between these corridors has ivy-covered walls. The eternal music of the waterfall gives a silent communion like a bottle of fine wine. Happy solitude comes as the waterfall of dreams come crashing down upon your heart's gate.